Hello, my name is Olesya Nikolenko and I am the owner and creator of Mosaic Professionails. Today I would like to show you how to use ink. Ink is a liquid pigment that dries on air. Mosaic has many colors that you can use for any kind of design. We can use ink on wet and on dry surface. I will start with wet one. I will use number 3 Snow White gel paint. Always shake the bottle before you will use it. Look, we have very fine brush, striper, so spot can be very small or bigger if you hold it longer. Just play with that. Let's see how it looks violet. Like that. And when you finish, cure it in the lamp. Now I will use ink on the cured surface. It's already dry. It has tacky layer. Now I will use pink. With this brush you can make very tiny dots, or if you take more ink on the brush and hold it a little bit, your spot, ink spot, will be bigger. I would like to use wine as well. You can do it very fast, like I do now, or you can let it a little bit dry and add more spots after that. Result will be different. You can use ink for beautiful ribbon design. In that case, you have to hold your brush like that. Hold, and one more time. Don't forget to overlay it with top gel. Very bright summer design, looks like fireworks. Just add different spots. Bigger, smaller. Between spots or overlaid. I prefer to blend. A little bit. Now I use Milky ink. You can see how it looks in work, in action. Like that. And maybe a little bit black. Fast and easy. Why Mosaic has white, milky white and clear ink? Let me show you. This one is clear. It works like that. You can use white as a base layer for different colors. Look how it will look spots have no borders in that case. Very, very soft touch. We can add a little bit more. Let's play a little bit. And maybe blue. Why not? And now, if you want, you can add very small spots. To make flower, we need tacky layer. This is gel paint number 3. Go very slowly. Around. Once again, to get brighter border. One more petal. Once again. You see, border appears. Next, once again, rose has spiral construction, shape, structure, like that. Let's make this one a little bit wider. That's it. Don't forget to overlay it with top gel. Have a colorful manicures. Subscribe to our channel and become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.